let me just establish this point. Akwadade, penny becumbria. But Ovidium.
Now, Kwabena can Nsem.
No, me found near Nsem near Homaso Casa, Wabaka Casafidi.
Kwabena can CJ Aquala.
No idea him, Yakasa Quada, and in film.
And I then.
So what I say, but Minishi Catchino. Sadly, Amona. Dedikai obetina kunya sesem na metinem
da be me ma wonya sa CJ bra bra
family so a all kono
no bonchi fa so ye
wa ban ti film wa ban no
na so
person no be nya problem
na so de ni dia ma so wa ba wa sorry afia konwa no
brother me sero de bia dam say kasa ya de ehun wa ban no
in fact CJ bra bra
me be nya wa ban no
da bi me ma won kasa wona chi CJ bra Besija wo ka say wa ba no na na wo kai
common because we didn't know
ka say wa ba
I refuse to be part of this
but
early morning ban
but wo ka say wa ba no sana wo kai
say wa ba no
no
wo ka say wa ba no
I refuse to be part of this early morning ban
na wo ka say
da be wo ka say wo the champion na money say wa ba no
wo ka say wa ba no
and say no see behave na see say
man na see na de woni ni wa say man because they don't say engage him to say
I'm happy to be
no see they no find them impress engage him say what's here pie
I'm happy
there's a womb boy man
I'm happy say what make be engage him
and the woni no asem
oh yakonya yi ba ku bi nyina ye pre ho I see you for bi ho
What class I see you for back home?
I see you, Nancy Rice. I see you, Auntie Obidio. I see you, Nanuki. I see you. I see you.
I see you for the Aboko dog. I did it.
I showed up Boko there.
Yametiasi.
Wait there. MC. And you're my baby and Sape quickly.
No, but Eddie Kai, in fact, remember what I was saying, Ramitiwe Kosi saying, the Ghana Black Stars, Nsem will form.
Yes.
And the fact is, there was a Ghana for you.
Yeah, because
how much you know.
Sabu Kunukwana, a Makacha era Kandapa, so Bremubi. The National Security Strategic Book, no. For them. Now, okay, Kaya. Oh, you need to read it because I don't know much. Any part, as Oman. Okay. The SSC, you didn't see right. Any GDA, any the SSC done it. It's on that score. And I'm the first principle, 4 principles. Okay. And the first principle, patriotism and love. Okay. And I'm saying that
patriotism and love. Okay.
So two watch and what's our door mine. Okay. What do I did we know say 2 watch.
Very important.
And I'm saying that the Black Stars showed and reflected that the core values
and love. Okay.
Because on come shed the yeka and on shed the ekoswa. That extra mile. No? Yeah. You will do baby purely for the love of the country. And that one should be reflective in all of us. Yeah. We are centroni, we are businessman or woman. Yeah. We are landlord, we are landlady. We are driver. If you love your country, yeah. If you are patriotic, exactly. Tan yoma bebre ho yeah. I can see ye bokrono, ye di atro, ye adwumasini, ye the contract my exactly. All those things. Enkoye. If we are indeed ready say ebe doye mai na yakọ the extra malama Ghana and tomorrow they be ada say ebe fa ntuma pay frano. These are the core values and qualities we should start exhibiting. Intimacy blaster at the end of the day and just football and kwano modisa couldn't be all aspects of our life from business to whatever no baby also exhibiting Ghana. Number 2 one of the president Adwini see Sutro and Krata man no mesro almost aya mom expose the president to some of these conversations. One, the agenda 111 the initial communication from the presidency to through all communicators of the MPP was that within 1 year we should move beyond that a chairperson. When you make the president a subject for ridicule now, my president, Bepacha, no be Bepachowa. You have not really solved the problem well because he's the last person or Kasa. Exactly. And from it is a president, and then initially, some who drifted from 1 year yedi asobo from no akọ by the close of tenure of his office.
Yeah.
There's no big deal about it.
The president should have said
what we need is that, as I say, hospital facilities.
At the end of the day,
Uber road construction.
Yeah.
There's a challenge. That challenge is that, as I say, CSA, sir, construction of roads, additional ones that President Jaban, as against the figure that we know.
Yeah.
So which one is which?
10,000 plus kilometers.
Nioma bi wo hon so kan ya nkransha eboye titu mi de me de pa ne se ene ikuayo koko akua 42 scale I dey ya joso na ma I so koto na mo ayi baabi mi nkobo baabi
e say de o ya ne hwe anya ye
e na o ya ne hwe odi koko dodo na beguso a ba se kuma bi na o unya but ene the president o mo de hwe bi agu akwa
technology bi aba
koko akua fo o beto because ye ko carry koko na ye ntimi nko joso machine na odi koko ma be beguso
e va da no boss me won se wa ye because koko fo
yes because him nipa bre si tu koko akrachi fo na ye mu bi do e be japade ye to
this year obetwa how many bags
o ye betwa onyame ado ye betwa ye kuka no bi akoka se o de akati kwesi na fu ye betwa papa it is normally be all kind so na quite what I like about this president but and they say he admits and acknowledges
exactly
but ye move away from say that admission acknowledgement na ye problem they be dey who say your problem ni o meji to say we are all in hard times and meji dem say bre o menye normal times but uji tum no different from letting it mean and letting it reflect
exactly
some power tum na wutu han am they say the biggest challenge we have as a country is emebunu dodo na no opportunities for them to work on their own or other people to help them or groupings to get certain mesre in all our considerations you're making sure say emebunu one betimi anya chefa to build the strong better Ghana we are looking for.
Great.
In this way no na me suggest to emebunu say obia nipa dodo na nyo madwini fi aban adwuma so because wako university and then TV at craba wako sua skill bi your pano your beats your nyoma bebre wo ha obetimi adjoin there. We cannot continuously rely on government opportunities say in pa aban adwuma aye it aban should try and create that enabling environment say the beya enipa kuo bi ba ko mienu mensa bi betimi akọ omo abom na omatim de di dwuma sonko de abo omo ho no on that score me gidi say we are waiting for the implementation of the e-levy that is coming up on the month of May. So what I say, that time they be no.
Na so yes.
And then the account drama that is going on in Parliament in relation to I have formal quorum. No. What it means is that majority of our politicians, when it suits them, they are quiet. When it is not in their interest, they make noise. And I thank God that our Supreme Court judges and the Supreme Court itself and the judiciary in a whole omunti said dogobi no abe upon all the disgrace and the insult and whatever we have just put on them omukos ye focus because there are times in this country when politicians talk both sides as if said the Supreme Court is just somebody's baby.
Exactly.
But I'm so surprised that these same people, both sides, especially the NDC. So what I say, the same Supreme Court that was evil in court, now is the same Supreme Court you are going to for what? We should be mindful of what we say. And we should be careful as Ghanaians not to destroy all the institutions that are revered in this country because of partisan interests.
Exactly. I agree. It's very important.
Watch, Papa.
Omanhene drinker. We know. Nadam for be where he.
I found such a. Hey,
the friend is an abonee there. Then time center.
Papa.
Time center.
Only because I
but you have a chair. No, but I'm also the